this is Abhishek Sengupta. We are back with another episode of Knowledge Talks. Now, in this episode, we have with us Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee, the sales strategist, is a business strategist, a registered startup mentor, and MSME consultant. It's going to be an interesting show. Please watch it till the end. Hello, this is Abhishek Sengupta. We are back with another episode of Knowledge Talks. Now, in this episode of Knowledge Talks, we have with us Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee. Is a sales strategist, is a business strategist, and is a common face in many news channels and news shows. Apart from that, he is also a registered startup mentor and MSME consultant. He has helped many companies to overcome tough situations. He has helped many companies to plan their business strategies and, of course, the growth strategies. Mr. Bhattacharjee, welcome to our show.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thanks for the kind introduction.
Going straight to the questions. Now, in marketing, the strategy of effective communication is a key pointer. Now, medium of connecting with clients and vendors have changed. Now, again, bigger companies are spending a lot of money with this modified communication channels. But what is there for smaller companies who cannot spend a lot of money, who do not have that trained manpower or that huge manpower backing? So how do they channelize their communication with their vendors, with their clients, or probably the prospect clients? Over to you, sir.
The communication are of two types. One is internal communication and another is external communication, right? So let me first talk about the internal communication. So internal communication is within the stakeholders, investors, employees. If you extend the ecosystem a bit, even vendors would come into the ecosystem. So it has to be very, very transparent, and each stakeholder has to know what's going on, what's coming in, and how exactly we are planning and strategizing to combat. So communication has to be very clear, very transparent. There should not be any fear factor amongst the people with whom you are combating and fighting the situation. Okay, there should not be any doubt. They should not be in dilemma. If my job is there tomorrow or not there, then they'll hunt for job. They won't work for you. Okay, so you make your communication strategy very clear first, and you know what to communicate with whom. With this set of people, you are going to communicate this. So you work on your communication strategy. Okay. And for communication internally, you decide the platform, how exactly you want to communicate. You want to have a video meeting. You want to have what should be the platform for what kind of people. So you also decide that. And so this is very important for and you combine different communication methods. Don't keep things pending. Overnight situations are changing. So if you're running a small company, be responsive. Don't just keep it pending and answer it one day later, and things may change haywire. Go haywire and out of your control. Put the right feedback and receive information, give information, right, put the right channel in place so that things are extremely mobile within this system. Okay, so this is something. Now for the external people, if I can say, Abhishek, you include everybody in the society, because post-pandemic people are very, very affected. A lot of people are impacted. So your communication method, not only to your direct customers, but also cover people around you in the society. May not be directly, directly involved or directly related to your business, but you show empathy, show concern about them, and do the communication accordingly. Select platforms. Likewise, apart from doing direct business, in your communication, you help your community a lot. So include people, help people a lot. Use different channels. And in today's time, more than advertisement, PR has suddenly become very, very important. Paid PR, or use your relationship in the PR industry amongst the journalists, startup journalist, or someone else, I don't know. PR has suddenly become very important. So instead of spending a lot of money on ad, you encash your relationship, spend a bit on PR, and then encash that PR messaging which came out to in your digital and physical communication, and reach out to people and impress them, influence them. In your communication, you divide who are the blogger, who are the influencer, who are the decision maker. Make your communication strategy accordingly and stay in touch with them. Influencer, bloggers, decision makers, these are suddenly has become very important. So in your communication strategy, you should have something for each one of them. So whosoever is very important for you, you should have. So suddenly the world has become extremely reciprocal. So you give something, you take something. So just don't take help, also help people. So whomsoever you are taking help them. Or you proactively help some other people, which is going to come back to you. Please do remind. Keep this in mind. So this is my high level thought on the communication. And increase your online events in your communication is something very, and gradually when physical thing starts, blend your physical events and online events very well and communicate accordingly, right? And in your entire communication and events and PR strategy, keep your customers aligned. It should always be with customers. Without customers, it should be seeing is believing. In your all statements and PR and communication and everything, your customers should be seen, right? Always. So the impression should go that you are backed by your customers, you're supported by your customers. Why? When customers do support you, when they are actually getting a lot of value from you, then only they support. So keep your customers by your side, which creates a lot of trust amongst your other customers and prospects and clients and everybody. So this is my top of the mind recall as to your question. Make sense?
Yeah, we got a lot of useful pointers, and some of the very good points we got from you. First of all is, of course, the society has become reciprocal. So we cannot only take advantage, we have to give back to the society or to the client or to anyone with whom we are interacting with. This is number one. PR is quite important. That is, of course, PR through our proper good relation as well as paid PR. Both are quite important. And of course, internal and external communication both need to be properly streamlined. We cannot keep anything for the next day because world is changing fast and people are getting in touch with many people in case there is a delay of communication from any side. So that's some of the very good pointers which we got. It was a nice session with Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee. I personally extend my thanks to Mr. Bhattacharjee for taking out his time and coming to our show. Any closing remark would you like to give, sir?
See, world is changing very fast than ever. It was always changing, but pace of change has suddenly become very fast. So we have to, mentally be ready to adapt to changes than ever before. And second point, the way you are working this social work, Now see, social work, field of social work and type of social work has also changed. The thing that you are doing, Abhishek, is also a social work. So many congratulations. Keep doing this. It's great work. And you just do not know how many people you are helping actually. So, from all those people collectively, I'm saying kudos to you, and just, march ahead with everybody's best wishes and make this a bigger platform and reach out to people and help people as you are doing. It's been wonderful interacting with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you so much. I'll give the links in the description of this video, using which you can connect with Mr. Bhattacharya. But still, you can visit www.kaushikbhattacharya.com. I'll give the link in the description of the video as well. And if any of you would like to connect with him for any business strategy, sales strategy, digital media strategy, you are free to connect with him. And I'm sure all of you will get benefited with his advice and with his mentoring. That's all for today. Thank you so much once again. Stay tuned, stay connected. Have a great day.